What is another word for yummy? In this class, we are going to discuss few words to replace yummy. Delicious. The food which have a very pleasant taste or smell. A delicious dinner. A delicious aroma. It means very pleasant dinner. Very pleasant, delightful smell of food. Next, scrumptious. Scrumptious means extremely pleasing to the sense of taste. Scrummy. You can replace yummy with the word scrummy. Scrummy means delicious, tasting very good food. Next, nectarous. Nectarous means delicious or sweet. The food item which is delicious or sweet can be described as nectarous. You no longer use the word yummy to describe a delicious food. Instead, you can use nectarous. Here is another word you can replace yummy. That is mouth-watering. Having a good appearance or smell that makes you want to eat. That kind of food items can be referred as mouth-watering. Another word, enticing. Enticing things are tempting and make you want to have them. The food items which are tempting and make you want to have more can be described as enticing. Luscious. Luscious means richly appealing or scrumptious food. Hereafter, you don't need to use the same word yummy to describe a delicious food. Instead, you can use these words to describe appealing and tasting food.